anarchist elements in India looking to implement the Bangladesh template of civil unrest. Less than 48 hours after Republic raised the alarm, the Tukre lobby is out and brazening it out.
What's happening in Bangladesh can happen here. It's just that Bangladesh is a concentration of much that we have in our country, and the spread in our country prevents things blowing up in the manner in which they've blown up in Bangladesh. But whatever is happening in Bangladesh is terrible.
What do you have to say about it?
When confronted on his provocative statement, this is what Salman Khurshid had to say.
If you made such a comment in a public platform,
you should not be going anywhere to people that you abuse all the time. Please.
Salmanji,
you made a comment about your country like this in a public platform.
Please. I say whatever I say in public, never in private.
आज मैंने तो आह्वान किया माइक से कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी, मोहन यादव और कैलाश सुन लो, कल बांग्लादेश की जनता घुस गई प्रधानमंत्री आवास में। 6 महीने पहले श्रीलंका की जनता घुस गई थी प्रधानमंत्री आवास में। अब तुम्हारे घरों में ये घुसेगी जनता, जो भ्रष्टाचार अब सहन नहीं हो रहा है।
But India's call for mobocracy are part of its infamous attempts to undermine Indian democracy.
I don't hear anything from the US establishment about what is happening in India. If you're saying partnership of democracies, I mean, what's your view on what's going on here? We are designed to listen to the people of India and pull out their voice and place it on the table. Right? And we have an opportunity now that we haven't had for many years to completely redesign the Congress through mass action. So that is, and so do a lot of the opposition people. Everybody knows, and it's been in the news a lot, that Indian democracy is under pressure, is under attack. The institutional framework, which is required for a democracy, parliament, the free press, these are all getting constrained. So we are facing an attack on the basic structure of Indian democracy.
The BJP has hit out at the Congress call for mobocracy.
आज मुझे याद आता है जब पार्लियामेंट में खड़े होकर राहुल गांधी कहते थे कि इस देश में आग लगेगा, इस देश में दंगे होंगे, इस देश में प्रधानमंत्री जी के ऊपर हमला होगा। तो वो क्यों कहते थे? और जब विदेश यात्रा में राहुल गांधी जाते थे और कई लोगों से चोरी चुपके विदेश में जाकर मिलते थे और भारत के खिलाफ वहाँ कह के आते थे, तो आज मालूम पड़ रहा है आखिरकार मनसा क्या थी।
लोकतंत्र की मर्यादा को तार तार करने वाला, भारतीय लोकतंत्र का मजाक उड़ाने वाला बयान है। अब कांग्रेस के नेताओं के लिए पाकिस्तान में, बांग्लादेश में सेना द्वारा तख्ता पलटने वाले लोग आदर्श बन गए हैं, उनको फॉलो कर रहे हैं। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, भारत के लोकतंत्र का मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है।
It is clear and official now. The Indie-led opposition in India is vouching for anarchist elements to beat nationalism.